Recording the sewer line here at 17924 Normandy Terrace Southwest, Normandy Park. Date is July 29th, 2020. What we're looking at right now is the city main. So this is the city's line that we're looking at here. We're going to come back from here and take a look at the whole side sewer for this property. So I've zeroed out the footage there on the camera. We're going to come back now through old 6-inch concrete pipe. Pretty good condition. We're coming back into clay now, and this is the 4x6 transition. So the sewer at this point, about 33 feet back, is transitioning from 4-inch to 6-inch. I'm going to locate this spot out here. I'm going to pause the video briefly. Be right back.